Discipline is not about motivation. Motivation is emotional. Discipline is mechanical. If you wait to feel ready, you'll never start. Your brain is designed to avoid pain and seek comfort. So every time you plan something hard, it resists. Discipline starts when you stop negotiating with yourself. You don't ask, "Do I feel like it?" You say, "This is what I do." Successful people don't have stronger willpower. They have fewer decisions. Same wake-up time, same routine, same rules. Discipline is built by small actions done daily. Not big promises, not motivation speeches. Miss one day? Fine. Miss 2 days, you're building a habit of quitting. Discipline is choosing future pain over present comfort. And that choice changes everything.